guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date when I post new videos. So today we're going to be doing a box braid install. I don't know if I'm going to do it in like the normal way or with rubber bands or try the knotless today. I don't know how I'm going to do it today, but that's what the video is going to be about today, because I'm not a professional braider. And the reason I'm doing braids today is because I had an appointment to get my hair done. That's why I'm sitting here looking crazy. I had an appointment to get my hair done, a little slip press or so, press and curl or whatever. And I'm not gonna say it got canceled, but it was an option between coming in a little earlier, which I only had like an hour notice, or rescheduling. So we came down to the point of rescheduling because Mom didn't make it on time to get to me to get the baby, and then I couldn't make it on time either, so I had to reschedule. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna figure out something until the next appointment, which is like in 3 weeks, but I'm not gonna look like this for 3 weeks. Okay, so first we're starting with the back. I did go and step away for a second because I can't see behind, like if I did this. I'm using a I don't have a mirror behind my setup, so I had to step away and go to the bathroom and part. But this is the parting. Yeah. You guys tell me how I did. Your eyes are not deceiving you. I am finished. Right now, I'm just waiting on the water to boil so I can dip them. And then I gotta do my little edge hairs here. But honestly, this took me forever. Like, it took me way too long to do because I never done the, what's it called, knotless way. And I don't know. I had to find my groove, and even still, I don't feel like I really 100% found it. I still can go over some of them and try to not perfect it because I'm not a professional, but just make some a little better. But as of right now, I got a toddler running around, and I've been letting her destroy the place while I've been trying to do what I need to do. And I'm just not going to continue to let it happen now because I'm done. So now I just need to, I don't know. Yeah, it's like I said, I need to just boil the ends, and then if I decide later, I don't know if I want to go over some of them and fix them, then I'll do so. Alright, I'm going to do my baby hairs for y'all. And for myself. I don't know how to do these things. I don't even got a phone in there. I'm trying to get ready for this, so I really don't care.
So he came to tell me last night that he wanted to go to the gas station on the street and get fried chicken. And I'm thinking it's like the kitchen will be closed, because usually on the west side, the kitchen closed at 7. You get an 8 o'clock. But on the east side, that motherfucker stay open until
I ain't getting no real sleep. And everything be ending off fast. I gotta get up earlier. Like, stuff be going to like 12, and then it's over. Like, they don't got nothing in the afternoon. So I'm gonna take her tomorrow. You gonna go tomorrow?
I want to stay on the street lights on purple now.
What's that too long?
That shit looks stupid. It looks in my eyes, and it don't light up anything. Like, why the fuck they change light to purple? That shit don't make sense.
Don't you like purple? I said, don't you like purple?
The street lights, yeah, they purple.
Yeah, I said, you don't like the color purple though?
You can't see shit.
I don't know what I'm doing. It's gonna be a water wave. Alright, I'm finished. It's a fun. It's all wet, sorry.
What the hell y'all got going on? Get the fuck out the street. That's not even
That's
the right way.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, turn your notification bell on, and I'll see you next time.